Verisurf 2026 revolutionizes thickness inspection through the addition of a new analysis function for scanned parts. Traditional thickness inspection is slow, labor-intensive, and incomplete. Spot checks with hand gauges and point-to-point measurements sample only a fraction of the part. Critical thin or thick regions are often overlooked, creating risks in quality control. Verisurf 2026 changes this with a new, patent-pending, scan-based thickness analysis tool. Instead of a handful of points, a Metrology-grade 3D scanner captures the entire surface, and the analysis instantly reveals thickness variations everywhere on the part. The result is a faster, simpler inspection compared to traditional CMMs. Using Verisurf's new thickness analysis tool, the part is first scanned to generate a measured mesh, which is aligned to a CAD model of the part. The model enables the use of directional surface normal vectors for accurate thickness deviation analysis of irregular and freeform surfaces, even for complex, non-parallel, and variable thickness parts. Verisurf thickness analysis can also report measured thickness for parts even without a model. Parts are analyzed for thickness using the Mesh's speed menu in the Analysis Manager. Thickness analysis can report measured and nominal thickness, as well as thickness deviation from nominal using a defined thickness tolerance and min-max values to filter the results. The preview displays an interactive 3D color map showing the selected thickness. Clicking or dragging the mouse around the color map reveals the thickness values at selected locations on the model, and stickers can be saved by pressing the Enter key. Detailed reports including annotated images can then be generated for improved accuracy, repeatability, and traceability. With Verisurf 2026 thickness analysis, you gain a faster, more reliable, and more cost-effective way to ensure quality, from first article inspection to production.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.